what extent do SSA address the issues related to diversity, inequality, marginalization in Odisha for B.Ed and Education Honours? Q. What extent do SSA address the issues related to diversity, inequality, marginalization in Odisha? ANS. Introduction. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, SSA, launched in 2001, is a flagship program of the Government of India aimed at achieving universal elementary education, UEE. It promises education for all children aged 6-14 years, with a focus on equity, inclusion, and quality. In a diverse state like Odisha, where tribal populations, linguistic minorities, and socio-economically backward communities form a significant portion of the population, SSA plays a crucial role in addressing the issues of diversity, inequality, and marginalization. Odisha is home to 62 tribal communities and a large number of scheduled caste, SC, other backward class, OBC, and economically disadvantaged groups. These communities often face barriers to access, participation, and achievement in school education. SSA has introduced several policies and interventions to bridge these gaps, focusing on inclusive education, gender parity, and educational empowerment of marginalized groups. 1. Addressing diversity. Mother tongue-based multilingual education. Metricton MLE SSA supports Metricton MLE programs in Odisha for tribal students. Textbooks and teaching learning materials are developed in tribal languages like Kui, Sora, Bonda, etc. in early grades. Helps tribal children transition smoothly into mainstream education by beginning in their home language. Cultural sensitivity in curriculum. SSA promotes culturally relevant content that respects the traditions and customs of tribal and rural communities. Local stories, festivals, folk songs, and heritage are incorporated into school activities under the activity-based learning model. Though tackling inequality. Infrastructure development. SSA has contributed to building new schools, classrooms, toilets, especially for girls, and providing drinking water in backward and remote districts of Odisha. Special focus on KBK region, Kalahandi Balnagir Koraput, known for extreme poverty and educational backwardness. Free and compulsory education provides free textbooks, uniforms, midday meals, and scholarships to SC sent OBC minority students and girls. These incentives help reduce financial barriers and improve attendance and retention. Gender equality. Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalayas, KGBVs, are residential schools established under SSA for girls from SC sent minority backgrounds who are out of school or never enrolled. Helps tackle the gender gap in education, especially in rural and tribal belts. 3. Inclusion of marginalized groups. Inclusive education for children with special needs. CWSN SSA in Odisha promotes education of differently abled children through individualized education plans, IEPs, special training, and resource rooms. Teachers are given orientation to handle inclusive classrooms. Bridge courses and special training. For dropouts and never enrolled children, SSA conducts bridge courses and residential camps, e.g., NRSTC's non-residential special training centers, to bring them back into the mainstream. Community mobilization and awareness. Village education committees, VECs, school management committees, SMCs, and community involvement under SSA ensure participation of local stakeholders in planning and monitoring education. Awareness drives in tribal belts encourage enrollment and reduce resistance to formal education. Conclusion. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan has made significant strides in addressing the challenges of diversity, inequality, and marginalization in Odisha. Through multilingual education, inclusive policies, financial support, and community involvement, SSA has brought thousands of disadvantaged children into the fold of formal education. However, challenges remain in terms of teacher shortage, quality of learning outcomes, and sustained participation of marginalized groups. For deeper impact, continued efforts are needed under its successor program, Samagra Shiksha, to ensure that no child is left behind in Odisha's educational journey.